Hi everyone and welcome to the Daily Blue. I'm Corinne Murphy-Caro here with a great guest to teach you about modular homes. This is Mr. Howard Kipnes from Cedar, Knolls, and we're going to talk about what he does. Pretty interesting. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Corinne.
Tell me a little bit about your modular homes.
Our modular homes are built exclusively by Westchester Modular Homes in Wingdale, New York. A modular home is built indoors, out of the weather, in just a couple of weeks. And the entire project that we do takes about half the time of a conventional build.
Now I love that you don't just build a home from, just like the full house. You can do other things too. Somebody wanted an extension. Tell us a little bit about that.
Right. Using modular technology, we can do a second floor extension. We can do an extension off the side of the house. Modular technology has advanced so much that we can incorporate a garage into the design. All right, we can also do outbuildings, pools, cabanas as part of the project if necessary. We can do anything from less than 1,000 square feet to well over 4,000 square feet.
Yeah, I saw a couple of your homes and we had the chance to walk around a couple of them, and they were incredible.
Thank you.
I mean, thousands of square feet, vast. Also, the detail. What happens when you decide that you'd like, a customer decides that they're thinking about buying a modular home? What's the step? Walk me through it.
It's very similar to if they wanted any other home, even conventional.
Right.
But one of the beauties of modular and one of the beauties of Cedar Knolls is we do all the design work in-house. You do not need an outside architect. It helps you understand the process better, and probably most importantly for our customers, we're containing the budget right from the beginning. Okay, you don't come to a set of plans to find out your dream home is unaffordable.
Right.
Because we're doing all the design work through the whole process.
It happens. Adding and adding and adding on.
Right. It happens way too often that we get people that have really spent a lot of time, money, and effort with an architect to find out they can't afford what they wanted. So we do all of that in-house.
Okay, so they know what they're going to spend from the start.
Yes.
And now, do you walk through in your office, or would you prefer that they go to the factory in Westchester?
We do the design work here in our office in Ronkonkoma in conjunction with the factory, so we're totally integrated. We have most of the selections in our office here. We encourage people to go to the factory in Wingdale, New York. It's less than 2 hours from our office in Ronkonkoma to tour the factory and see how the homes are built, because it's an amazing technology.
Yeah. Now, you pick everything out, your light fixtures, your countertop.
You pick out almost as any other house. You're going to tell us your flooring, what you want, your countertops, your cabinetry. The factory has a vast array of features they can install.
Okay.
If not, then we do those things on site.
It just seems so easy. It's just, do they have to be concerned about calling anyone else, or they just go directly to you and you pretty much handle everything?
Cedar Knolls is a general contracting firm, and we do what's referred to as a complete turnkey. So we will process your permits, we will do any site work, foundation work, obviously the modular components, and all the finish work associated. You really don't need to find anybody else.
Love that. Now, besides saving time, which is so important, and money, you're also saving for the lifetime of the house because your houses are energy efficient.
Correct.
Nice.
Because the homes are built indoors in a controlled environment. Like any other home, our homes are Energy Star compliant. They're LEED compliant if you're going for LEED certification. But because they're done indoors and there's quality control as in any other factory manufacturing environment, they are built tighter, stronger, and just more efficient for the life of the house.
Unbelievable. If we wanted to contact you, how can we do so?
Obviously the website, cedarknollshomes.com. You can call us, 631-231-1518. We're on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. All right, so you can contact us those ways. And if you call the office, you're going to get a person. You're not going to get an answering machine.
And I love that. But something really cool that the public should know is that you are actually setting 2 new homes in the near future. So they can come and watch a set, which is remarkable to see. It's so incredible to watch a house being lifted and put onto a foundation.
Yes, a set is when we assemble the factory components. We've got one coming up on January 26th in Hop Hog. And then we have another one slated for February 11th and probably 12th. It's a large house. It'll take 2 days in Hampton Bays. And if you call our office, 631-231-1518, we'll give you more details, information. You can come out. You can actually watch it get put together and see what position or what condition the house is in the day it's delivered.
Unbelievable. Thank you everyone for joining us, listening. I told you it was going to be a pretty cool guest. Howard Kipnis from Cedar Knolls. Thank you, Howard, for joining me today.
Thank you, Corinne.
Have a great day, everyone.